Hello everyone, welcome back to another Q's Reviews video. Today we will be cracking open the Lenovo Ideapad L340-15IRH to replace its 8 gigs of RAM with 16 gigs of RAM. Compared to an Acer laptop and a Dell laptop that I've worked on before, this was surprisingly easy to open. You must remove 11 screws from the bottom and then undo clips from all four sides, and the bottom cover comes right off. The memory kit is from Crucial. After removing a metal cover, you can see the RAM module itself. You have to do the crazy hands or it won't work. There are two clips on either side of the RAM that you unclip, and they're spring-loaded, and then the RAM just pops right up. Slide it out of the slot, and there you go. RAM's removed. You can see that the new RAM module has twice as many chips on it, because it has twice as much memory on there. Then you slot that into place, push it down, push the clips in, and the new RAM is installed. Then slot the metal cover back into the tabs. Then put the bottom of the laptop back on. And then snap it into place. Then put the 11 screws back in. So there you go, that's how to replace the RAM on a Lenovo Ideapad L340-15IRH. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!